हेलो फ्रेंड्स। नीम के फ़ायदे तो हम सब जानते ही हैं। इट्स गुड फॉर स्किन, हेयर, टीथ। नीम की दातुन तो आप सब ने सुना ही होगा। जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स एंटीबैक्टीरियल, एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी एंड एंटी फंगल प्रॉपर्टी, इट्स गुड फॉर the plants also. So let's see how we can use it in the plants. The second organic pesticide which I'll be talking about in this video is from the chili garlic paste, which is very good for the mealybugs, whitefly, aphids, spider mites, scale, and all these things. So for the neem concoction, we'll be boiling the neem leaves in a pan till the water is reduced to its half. You can take any quantity. The best part is, even if you make it in a large quantity, you can store it and you can use it further. You can keep it for a month or 2 months also. Nothing will happen to it. Once it's boiled, you can strain the neem water and your neem concoction is ready to use. While straining, you have to just take care that no residue or something is left, because when we spray it, putting in the spray bottle, so because of these residues, your spray nozzle doesn't get blocked. So just take care of this thing, nothing apart from that. So this is ready to use it. Even you can use it for your skin, hair, and all those things, but right now here I'll be telling you how to use it in the plants. So the best part is, you can use these boiled leaves in making compost or simply mix it in your garden soil. So it's like your aam ki aam and gutliyon ke daam. You're using every bit of and every part of these neem leaves. Nothing is being wasted. I even use this water to mop my floor to remove the ants. Especially it's very beneficial when you have a small children at home and you can't use any inorganic pesticide. Now the next come how to use this neem concoction. You can use it in the ratio 1:5, that is 1 part of neem concoction and 5 parts of water. Else in the ratio 1:10, that is 1 part of neem concoction and 10 parts of water. It's all depend upon your plant's requirement and how much pest or how much these fungus or pest have infected your plants. You can even spray this mixture twice a month if you see any kind of pest attack on your plant. It's purely organic. It can be done even by the kids. Most of the time I give this spray bottle to my kids. They really enjoy doing this activity, spraying on the plants. You can also try giving same to your kids. Just to remember, prevention is better than cure. So do use this spray on your plants regularly. Here comes the second organic pesticide, which is made from the chili garlic spray. So let's begin and let me show you. Many times you must have seen this kind of white mealybugs on your plants, especially on the plant of hibiscus and few more. So to make a chili garlic paste, you'll be taking equal quantity of chili and garlic. Grind the garlic and chilies together to make the paste, and leave it overnight for a day for the fermentation. So can you see it? My mixture has been fermented. Now strain it with a strainer or a cheesecloth so that no particle block nozzle of the spray bottle. To make the mixture, we'll be taking 1 part of the neem concoction and 1 part of the chili garlic solution. We'll mix it both in the 5 parts of the water. You can even store the extra chili garlic paste or the solution in the plastic or the glass bottle. So this is 2-liter bottle which I am taking, and I'll be mixing all the 3 in the required ratio to spray it on my plants. So my spray, it's ready. So this was my hibiscus plant. First of all, we have to separate that particular plant which is being infected by the pest and keep it in a different place like this. So can you see this hibiscus plant? It had those white mealybugs, and I've taken the mixture and I'm just spraying it directly on the mealybugs. Because of the spicy chilies we have taken and the strong smell of garlic, it really helps to remove the ants, rodents, and other pest insects away. If wind is blowing, so while spraying you have to take care that it doesn't go into your eyes. Even while spraying, because of the strong and the spiciness of the chilies, I was a little bit coughing. So just take care of this thing while spraying it on your plant. Also do remember not to spray this mixture in the morning time. Do it in the late evening, As in the morning, many environment friendly insects sits on plants and flowers which do the pollination. Moreover, a plant is usually attacked when it's weak. So timely fertilization to the plant and regular organic sprays is also important. Here I am showing you the close-up of the spray on these mealybug on the day 3. Can you see how easily they vanished?
हेलो फ्रेंड, सो इसी तरीके से कुछ छोटी छोटी बातों का अगर हम ध्यान रखें तो हमारा गार्डन बहुत ही सुंदर गार्डन बन सकता है। तो डू रिमेंबर कि आप ये नीम कॉन्कॉक्शन ज़रूर बना के रखें एंड आप महीने में इसको एक बारी स्प्रे ज़रूर करें। एंड दिस चिली गार्लिक स्प्रे, इट्स रियली एन ऑसम। आई हैव ऑलरेडी शोन यू इन द लाइव इन द वीडियो हाउ effective it is on these mosquitoes, ants and the other insecticides things, especially on the mealybugs, how fast they go. You know, I just sprayed it on the 3rd day and it went like anything, and after that, you know, they didn't turn up. So do try and do share your feedback once you do this chili garlic spray on your mealybugs, how effective it was. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much, guys. So see you again in the next video. Thank you.
So friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much to you.